Robot technology for medical surgery, the future of healthcare. Medical robotics is revolutionizing surgical procedures, making them more precise, less invasive, and safer for patients. AI-powered surgical robots assist doctors in performing complex surgeries with greater accuracy, reducing recovery time and minimizing risks. Key advancements in surgical robotics. 1. Da Vinci Surgical System. One of the most widely used robotic surgical systems, Da Vinci allows surgeons to perform minimally invasive procedures with enhanced precision. It provides a 3D high-definition view and robotic arms that mimic human hand movements with greater dexterity. 2. AI-powered autonomous robots. Robots like STAR, Smart Tissue Autonomous Robot, are designed to perform delicate surgeries autonomously. These robots can stitch soft tissues more accurately than human hands, reducing the chances of errors. 3. Robotic-assisted orthopedic surgeries. Robots like Mako and Rosa assist in joint replacement surgeries by planning and executing precise bone cuts, ensuring better implant placement and faster recovery for patients. 4. Nanorobots for targeted treatments. Future advancements in nanorobotics could allow tiny robots to be injected into the body to perform targeted drug delivery, clear blockages, or even perform microsurgeries inside blood vessels. 5. Remote and telesurgery. With 5G and AI integration, remote robotic surgeries are becoming a reality. A specialist surgeon from one country can operate on a patient in another location using robotic arms controlled over the internet. Benefits of robotic surgery. Higher precision and accuracy. Minimally invasive procedures. Reduced recovery time and hospital stay. Lower risk of infections and complications. Better access to specialized surgeons through remote operations. Challenges and future scope. Despite its benefits, robotic surgery faces challenges such as high costs, training requirements, and technological limitations. However, with continuous advancements in AI and machine learning, we can expect more affordable and efficient robotic surgery options in the near future. Robotic technology is reshaping the future of medical surgery. As AI, automation, and robotics continue to evolve, they will make surgery safer, faster, and more effective. The future of healthcare is robotic, and we are just at the beginning of this technological revolution. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more futuristic updates.